Good morning, boys and girls. This week, our focus in mathematics will be on addition and subtraction. So today I've put some examples from the work you've been given on the Google Classroom. The first one that we're looking at is 24 plus 9. 24 plus 9, there is many strategies to work this out. The first strategy is to work it out in our head. And what we can do is we can think, well, 24 plus 9. So 10 is closest to 9, so we can pretend that it's 24 plus 10. So if we add 10 more to our 10s, we get 34. But then we have to take 1 off it because it was only 9. So we get a total of 33. Another way that we can work it out is by working it out vertically. And so here for you, I'll just click on it so I can type. So here for you, we've got vertically 24 plus 9. So what we can do is we can go to our ones column and we can add our ones up first. So 9 plus 4, 9 plus 4 equals 13. Put our 3, our 1 down, carry our 10. So I'll just pop the 10 up top here, which is 1. And then we can add up our 10s column. We can go 1 plus 2 equals 3. So we can type in our 3. And I'll just make it look like it's in the column a little bit better so we can see it. There we go. So it equals 33. So there's 2 strategies of working out the first question on here. So if you've got some spare paper or your maths workbook, you can put the working out like this vertically in your book. The next one is 13 plus 8. One strategy we can do is we can add the 8 to the 3, and we know that if we add 2, for example, to the 8, we have 10, but we want to add 3 to the 8. So we can go, well, that would be 11, and we can go 11 plus our 110 here equals 21. And so we can work it out vertically again as well. So 8 plus 3, and I'll just fix up this so we can type it in. 8 plus 3 equals 11. So we put our 1 into our 10s column and we carry, well, I should say 1s column, sorry, our 1 into our 1s column, and then we carry our other 1 to our 10s column. So we'll put this up here. Here we go, move it across so we can see it a little bit better in our 10s column. There we go. And then we have to add our 10s column. 1 plus 1 equals 2. So we pop that in. And we have 21 all together. So that's another way we can do it vertically again. I'll just fix it up so it goes underneath nicely. Here we go. Ooh. Just doesn't want to grab. Wonderful. There's the next one. Okay, on the other side we have subtraction. And so over on this side here we have 23 take away 8. Now one way you can work it out in your head is you can use a counting on strategy. And you can count on from 8 to 23 to work out how many is missing. So you can go 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 to get 15. Now, that's one way you can do it, counting on. It's really good when you're working with money too to count on in your head like that. Or you can also use another strategy, the vertical way again. So here we've got 23 take away 8. So I can write it in. I can add or subtract my ones column first. So 3 take away 8. It's a smaller number, so I can't take 3 from 8. So I've got to go to my tens column and borrow 1. So what I would do is I would take 1 from the 2, from the tens column. So I'll just fix that up. I'll take 1 over. And we'll just write it down here and I can move it, if it will let me. There it is. And I'll just pick it up and move it across. So I'm just borrowing 1 to put in here. And just sort of slide it in there like that. So now it becomes 13, because I've taken one of the tens. 13 take away 8. Now we can use our counting on strategy from the 8. We can go 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we know that we can put 5 down in our ones column. And then we have, because we took 1 off the 2, we only have this now. This 2 actually became a 1 now, so we can rub it out because we borrowed 1 off it, and we can make this one a 1, like that. And 1 take away nothing equals 1. So we can put our 1 in. We'll make it so it goes under nicely, so we can see it's in our tens column. There we go. And then our next one, we have 15 take away 6. So again, we can use the counting on strategy. We can go 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we know that 15 take away 6 equals 9. Or we can also work it out vertically again. So we know 5 take away 6, we can't take a small number away from a larger number, so we need to borrow 1. So we're going to take this from our tens column, our 1, and we're going to move it across to here into our ones. So now we've got 15 take away 6. As we did before, we can use the counting on strategy: 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 to make 9. So we know this equals 9, like so. We can move it across like this. There we have it. So here's some addition and subtraction problems from today that you can solve. If you get stuck, you can always message me on Google Classroom, and I'll get your message and I can give you a call to help you with your work. Have a good day, won't you? See ya.